Article 13. Mitigating circumstances. The following are mitigating circumstances. 1. Those mentioned in the preceding chapter when all requisite is necessary to justify or to exempt from criminal liability in the respective case are not attended. Number 2. That the offender is under 18 years of age or other 70 years. In the case of the minor, he shall proceeded against in the accordance with the accordance the provision of Article 80. Number 3, that the offender had no intention to commit so grave a wrong as that committed. Number 4, that the sufficient provocation or threat on the part of his offended party immediately preceded the act. Number 5, that the act was committed in the immediately in vindication of a grave offense to the one committing the felony delicto has spouse, ascendants, or relatives by affinity with the same degrees. Number 6, that of having acted upon an impulse so powerful as naturally to have produced passion and obfuscation. Number 7, that the offender had no voluntary surrender himself to a person in a himself to a person in authority of against, or that he had a voluntary confession his guilt before this court prior to presentation of the evidence presentation of the evidence for the prosecution. Number 8, that the offender is deaf and dumb, blind, or otherwise appearing some physical defect which those restricts uh, his means his means of action, defense or community with his fellow beings. Number 9, such illness of the offender as would uh, diminish. Number 9, such illness of the offender or as would diminish the exercise of the will power of the offender without however depriving him to the consciousness of his act. Number 10, and finally number 10, and finally any other circumstances of a similar natural and analogous to those above mentioned